Gonna be my second bike check. My last bike check was with my BSD frame, and this bike check is gonna be with that frame and that stuff. So yeah, are you excited to film this bike check?
Yes, absolutely. It's long overdue.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you for the recommendation, bro. Okay, let's get right into the bike check. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into my bike check. First, we have a 21-inch Sean Racconi Colt frame with a 13-inch rear end. What else do we got? We got BSD XL Substant cranks. They're 165, nice and short for crank arms, and so your back foot doesn't hit your peg and whatnot. I got the Colt Dak Roach pedals in blue. I just got some random seat posts I spray painted, and yeah, it's holding up, you know, seat post. And then I got a clad seat that I traded, and it looks good with white, you know, color code my bike. We got a Primo stem. I don't know what kind of stem it is. I just really like it because it's black and it's nice looking. And I recently just got these bars. They're the Colt Alex Kennedy bars, 10-inch. And you should film Nick climbing up the tree. Yeah, they're 10-inch, but I already bent them. So like sponsors, hit me up. And for grips, I'm running the Demolition Axe grips. Get the axe.
Yeah, get on the inside.
And then I'm running the Odyssey Par ends. They're really nice, just like a nice plastic bar end. What else do we got? We got a Primo Stevie Churchill headset. That large ass cap. It's really nice. I like it. What else should we get into? The Shadow Conspiracy 28 tooth sabotage sprocket. It's been holding up, you know, sprocket guard. Bottom bracket is just a BSD 24 mil. So for, what else should we go to? Wheels?
Yeah.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, the chain. The chain is a $100 Supreme Shadow Conspiracy chain, and it has lifetime warranty.
YouTube money.
YouTube money, bro.
Tell your hub. The little
Yeah,
Allen key switch thing or whatever.
No, that's the Odyssey. That's mine. So for pegs, I'm running the 4.75-inch vegan pegs. They're really long. They're good for grips. They're good for switch grips. They're good for ice picks. They're good for everything. For rims, I'm running the BSD NASA rims. Spokes, probably just like BSD or Picasso or something. They don't go that much, but they're really nice. And for rear hub, I got an Odyssey V2 free coaster. It's got lifetime warranty as well, but I always rebuild everything, and I've had to rebuild it a couple times now. Yeah, I got just simple hub guards. I think they're a clad or something. And then for front hub, it's just a BSD front hub with BSD hub guards. And that's it for my bike check. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do the damn thing. You already know. Like and subscribe. Peace. Got to do like my helmet. I run Shadow Conspiracy helmet, featherweight or whatever it's called. It's really nice. I like it. Follow that Instagram, by the way.